Do you remember anything about the attackers?
They're the same age as me, but could be anyone.
3-on-1, boys. Sure this is fair on you?
Consider yourself lucky. Some lads don't get the chance to come back from an injury like this. Stay away from the football till you're back to yourself.
Grand holiday for you.
I'm telling you, lads, if I'd been there, it would have went down different.
Since when is Grace home? Thought we'd lost you to the English.
You haven't changed a bit.
Can't have passengers this year. Need you leading by example.
Don't worry about me.
And don't give me reason to them.
People go away and then they think they're different to the people who stayed.
You've got such a chip on your shoulder against anyone that ever left. If you hurt yourself again, it could result in permanent damage. Did you get checked up?
They said it's fine.
You're not focused, Cian. You're all over the shop.
You can't play football. It's not the end of the world.
Can't even look after my own farm anymore.
Take the rest of the day off. Go on.
You know, it knocks some sense into you.
The bullshit stops here, lads.
I'm being patient with you, but you're running on a road here.
You're a real asshole. Do you know that?
You can't always choose how long these things last. All you can do is make the most of them while they're there.